His name's Romeo, and her name's Juliet.
Juliet.
This is the story of how they met. He crashed a party.
Crashed the party.
They fell in love, 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 love. She's a Capulet, and he's a Montague.
Montague.
No one ever mixed the two.
Hey.
'Cause of the feud, they were refused to be in love, 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 love.
Juliet and Romeo, they first met, they just didn't know that their families were in a fight. They fell in love at first sight.
He found himself in her backyard and heard her say she's falling hard for him, and he said that maybe marriage could be for you and me. So they decided to get married. The lovers were each other's knew. They didn't want to get caught, so secretly they tied the knot.
Mercutio and Benvolio were talking with Romeo when Tybalt comes and walks by, challenging Romeo to a fight.
Come on, Romeo, said Mercutio.
Mercutio.
I'll take your place if you say no.
No.
He fought him hard,
Fought hard.
but then he fell down, 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 down. Then Romeo got really mad.
Really mad.
He got a sword and gave him a stab. Tybalt died.
Tybalt died.
Capulets cried. They said, why, 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 why? Prince said that Romeo was guilty, so he had to go away from town, never come back, and if he did, he'd get no slack. Romeo and Juliet had their last night before he left. Then her dad said, in 3 days end, Paris will be your new husband.
Fire said to Juliet, this potion will make you look dead. After 2 days you will wake again. For Romeo we will send.
She drank it up and fooled them all, but one mistake made the plan fall. Romeo didn't know that it was fake. He thought she died, made his heart break. Romeo took a poison, he drank it, then he died.
Then he died.
Juliet woke up and saw him by her side. She took a knife
Took a knife.
and stabbed herself and went above, 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 above. This is the end of the tragedy,
Tragedy.
and at the end, this is what you see. He took his life,
Took his life.
she took her life, all 'cause of love, love, love.